belai tungkhano tite. It's boiling hot today. It's boiling hot today. Tinile tamo wati haitoto. I think it's going to rain today. I think it's going to rain today. Nini logiwo sati kaisha ton dinanango. You should carry an umbrella with you. Phataro belai nobar ship tongkha. It's windy outside. It's windy outside. Khana wati phano waimano. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. Wati phai tongkha. It's raining. It's raining. Dam ni romui wati wai tongu. It has been raining for 2 hours. It has been raining for 2 hours. Mianisimi wati wai tongu. It has been raining since yesterday. Nokha shamjaja. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. Tinile wati thagana haima tonglia. It doesn't look like it's going to stop raining today. It doesn't look like it's going to stop raining today. Raincoat chumdi hataro wati waitongu. Put on your raincoat. It's raining outside. Wati thakka. The rain has stopped. The rain has stopped. Tini belai siari kubung. Gari rok naikoli chalona nangu. It's foggy today. You need to be careful while driving. Rikutung chumdi hataro belai telakar. Put on your sweater. It's cold outside. Tini belai kecanggu. It's chilly today. It's chilly today. Tini belai kecanggu aniyak bormaya haingzak. It's very cold today. My hands are freezing. Ang kesanggui geli tongkha. I am shivering in the cold. Pene pene wati kelai tongkha. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. Tini fungo wati pene pene wai tongmani. It was drizzling in the morning. Wati pene pene wai tongu sati logiot lang thangdi. It's drizzling outside. Take an umbrella with you. It's drizzling outside. Take an umbrella with you. Hom kai wati wai tongmani. It was pouring. It was pouring. Wati hom wai tong. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Thunder manenka nokha grumma. Lightning manenka nokha flickma. Thunderstorm manenka pera. Mia shapung no nokha shamchawi wati waza. Yesterday it was raining and thundering all day. Ferang kokkai ang belai kiriu. I'm afraid of thunderstorms. Ayang kokkai wati de waitongko. Is it raining there now? Is it raining there now? Ang maising zoran is like tumblang zorase sazakugo. I like summer more than winter. Ang umay tong shuka horkirok yogri begradi. I am boiling open the windows. I am boiling open the windows. Tinini shalle belai tong sota. The weather is pleasant today. The weather is pleasant today. Tinile nokha srung. The sky is clear today. Tinini nobarti bale bahai. How is the weather like today? How is the weather like today?